Eagle birds here. What a big statue, eagle bird. They are standing alone here. Wow, what a great look, eagle bird, Bahrain. What a big eagle bird. इंडिया कहाँ से?
पंजाब।
पंजाब से?
वो भी लुधियाने का है ना, सनी बोल भी।
ओके, वो फैन हूँ।
अच्छा,
उसका 2.5 किलो का हाथ तारीख पे तारीख अंडर द ईगल. Wonderful. The wonderful flower, Bahrain. You can see the flower here, white flower and the red flower here. Wonderful day today here in now. You can see the one eagle bird here. Will be go there. Green tree, green plant here. You can see the surrounding here. Wow, what a look, Bahrain. You can see the surrounding here. Still now we are in now Maharak. What a great look, Bahrain. Have some time you can visit here. The Maharak near to airport road. Have the one eagle bird here. The awesome looking eagle bird. They are having one ground here, green ground. People relaxing here, having gaming activity here can be do, cycling here, jogging here, running here can be do, exercise here, freehand exercise can be do here. What a nice. You can see all surrounding. Eagle bird near to the airport road. I have the big eagle bird here. You can see the all surrounding here. Down standing here, the eagle bird. What a great look, eagle bird. Still I am in now. Wow, what a big statue, eagle bird. Sometime you can visit here. I recommend family and friend. You have some time you can relax here. You can visit here. You can saw this the eagle bird, Bahrain, near to airport road. The Maharak, the wonderful eagle bird here. You can see man relaxing here, they spend time here, man walking here and having big ground here, sports here, gaming activity here, playing football here, the big ground here. Time you can visit here, Maharak Park, big eagle bird. You can see the back side, very big statue. What a great look, eagle bird. They are standing alone. You can't say anything, just standing there forever. Awesome, amazing environment today we are in now. Like my video, like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I take one. I need to be support each and everyone. Here my friend here is a relaxing here. I talk someone. हाँ भैया बोलिए कैसा लग रहा है आपको बहरीन में?
फिर अच्छा भाई, बहरीन कितना अच्छा मौसम है इधर बहरीन में।
ओके, कितना साल हो गया बहरीन में?
हो गया 15 साल।
ओके, आप कहाँ से?
दिया पंजाब।
पंजाब, सनी देओल का बगल में तो नहीं आप?
ओ ये मतलब देना जस्ट किसका भी है।
ओके, जो उसका 2.5 किलो का हाथ तारीख पे तारीख
सामने वाल कर रहा हूँ।
मिला कि नहीं सनी बाजी से? मैं उसको बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। छुट्टी कब जा रहे हैं आप?
जाएगा तुम्हें साल तक।
ओके, अच्छा छुट्टी है आपका?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं गया, घूमने के लिए तो है।
अच्छा घूमने के लिए आया। ओके, डेली आते रहते आप? ओके, ये असल कौन सा एरिया है ये बोलिए?
ये महारक का एरिया है,
एयरपोर्ट एरिया है ना, महारक है ना? ओके, नियर टू एयरपोर्ट रोड, द महारक स्टैचू हियर, ईगल स्टैचू, द महारक या इधर ब्रदर हियर is relaxing here. Yeah, spend time all time. Maybe come day all day. कितने बार आते हैं? एक दफा आते हैं, 2 बार आते हैं? एक दफा आते हैं शाम को all time. Come back here all time. Relaxing here. Yeah. और कुछ बोलना है आपको?
शुक्रिया, कुछ नहीं बात।
Thank you. We are be relaxing here with friend here. Thank you. हमें यहाँ पे रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं, बैठा हुआ है देखिए। So wonderful spend time here. Bahrain, Maharak. You can see the all surrounding here. Watch the environment. Sunset now. We'll be go back to our accommodation. Today we are in now. You can see the backside the eagle bird here. Look, Bahrain. You can see the highway road. This is the beach here. This is the mall here. You can see the surrounding here.